This holiday season, Rado adds a touch of brilliance to its iconic True Square collection. Introducing the Rado True Square Automatic Open Heart Sparkling, a watch that blends cutting-edge ceramic innovation with festive luxury. Rado's design legacy began with the legendary Ceramica in 1990. Decades later, that sleek, minimalist DNA lives on in the True Square Automatic, now elevated with a dazzling open-heart display and snow-like sparkle. Crafted from high-tech ceramic, this 38mm timepiece is lightweight, hypoallergenic, and virtually scratch-proof. Available in lustrous white ceramic or futuristic plasma ceramic, its fluid contours and polished finish create a liquid-like shine that catches the light from every angle. The dial glistens with an electroplated diamond powder effect, a subtle silvery shimmer that recalls freshly fallen snow. 12 diamond hour markers complete the look, perfectly balancing modern precision with festive elegance. Through its open-work dial, the Rado Caliber R734 automatic movement reveals its beating heart, featuring an anti-magnetic Nevitron hairspring and an impressive 80-hour power reserve. The white ceramic model pairs rose gold accents with pure sophistication, while the plasma version adds a touch of warmth with yellow gold details, each one perfect for any wrist, any occasion. With the True Square Automatic Open Heart Sparkling, Rado captures the spirit of the season, timeless, radiant, and effortlessly modern. Rado, the master of materials, now the maker of modern holiday magic.